Mary McLeod Bethune, July 10, 1875 to May 18, 1955. An educator and civil rights leader, Mary McLeod Bethune became an influential figure in American politics through her role as an advisor to several U.S. presidents and her founding of the National Council of Negro Women. Her legacy in education and political activism cements her status as a trailblazer in politics and leadership, who transformed the business world. The African American women pioneers in entrepreneurship. 46. Claire Muhammad, November 2, 1899 to August 12, 1972. As the wife of the Most Honorable Elijah Muhammad, Clara Muhammad was instrumental in establishing the educational framework of the Nation of Islam through the Muhammad University of Islam schools. Her pioneering efforts in religious and educational leadership significantly impacted community development and Islamic education in America. 47. Ursula Burns. Ursula Burns stands out as a trailblazer in the corporate world, having served as the CEO of Xerox Corporation from 2009 to 2016. She made history as the first African-American woman to lead a Fortune 500 company, marking a significant milestone in the business world. Burns' leadership at Xerox, focusing on innovation and transformation, has paved the way for future leaders in technology and business, demonstrating the impact of diversity in executive roles. 48. Janice Bryant Howroyd. Janice Bryant Howroyd is a pioneering figure in the staffing industry, having founded ACT, One Group, the largest minority woman-owned employment agency in the United States. Beginning in 1978, her entrepreneurial journey has been characterized by innovation, tenacity, and a dedication to excellence. Howroyd's achievements in business showcase the significant contributions of African American women to the economy and the power of inclusive leadership. 49. Mellody Hobson. Co-CEO of Ariel Investments, Mellody Hobson has distinguished herself as a formidable leader in finance. Beyond her role at one of the largest African American-owned investment firms, Hobson is celebrated for her advocacy for financial literacy and diversity in corporate America, inspiring many with her dedication to inclusivity and empowerment. 50. Marian Wright Edelman. Marian Wright Edelman, founder of the Children's Defense Fund, has been a pioneering force in advocating for children's rights and welfare. Her leadership has significantly influenced policies and programs supporting low-income families and children, marking her as a key figure in social entrepreneurship and nonprofit advocacy. 51. Rosalind Brewer. Rosalind Brewer is noted for her leadership in corporate America, currently serving as the CEO of Walgreens Boots Alliance. Brewer's roles as one of the few African American women leading a Fortune 500 company spotlight her as a trailblazer in business and leadership.
That's a wrap, History Seekers. Catch the full story on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Peace and love.